Okay, so this is going to be my overview of the Hornbook Guide online. And so this was a subscription website that I had to obviously subscribe to. It was $48 for the year. And I like the way this is really set up. It's once you're in and you're logged in and everything, it has categories going across right here of all of the different types of children's books. So we have preschool, age range, picture books, easy readers, younger fiction, intermediate fiction, older fiction, and nonfiction. And down here is a search bar where you can type in the title, ISBN, or the author and do a quicker search if you're looking for a specific title, a review of a specific title. This is an actual review website, by the way. It gives a thorough review of each book. And so I will show you really quickly what this website has to offer. And some quick features and everything. And so on this front page, it has some highlighted books, some that have won certain awards, summer reading. Because we just got out of Pride Month, they had some of those that were kind of starred. And there you go, just some highlighted books from different categories. So that's pretty neat. That way you can kind of, if there's books that you haven't heard about, there's some that they've highlighted. And then really quickly, I'm going to click through. I'm just going to click on, let's say, easy readers. And I just want to show you really quick, when you click through here, this is what you find. And so through the easy reader section, there are 639 reviews, and they're in alphabetical order. Okay, and so I was kind of, when I first started looking at this, I was like, what does this number right here mean? So I clicked on it, and this is what popped up. This really neat diagram that showed me all of what everything on here means. And so this was the thing that I really didn't understand, because you've got your title and your author and your ISBN and your date of publication and things like that, quick little synopsis of the person who reviewed it and the date that it was reviewed. And what I really wanted to know about was, what is this rating system? And so then I scrolled down, and it had the key for the rating right here, which was really neat. And the top two ratings have little symbols. And what I thought was really interesting was that all of them rated 1 through 4 are all still recommended books. So if it's not a recommended book, it is not in this guide at all. And so I thought that was really neat and a very positive spin. So it just kind of is like, if it's not there, then we don't recommend it. And then over here, it kind of has the age categories, or the age ranges for each category that they have listed above. So that was very beneficial as well, so that you know what is intermediate fiction. Okay, intermediate fiction is grades 4 through 6. So so that is pretty much my overview of this. I'm going to click back through here and just show you. Let's see what happens when I click on the title name. So now when you click on the title name, it's now just, you've got a whole screen just designated for that one title. And as you can see, some of them have pictures of the front cover and some don't. So that's pretty much the overview of this guide.